Good day everyone, I am here to show you and how to demonstrate a breadboard. As you can see what in my hand. Now this is a landscape type of breadboard and I'm going to be showing to you what are other electrical components that may fit right here. A breadboard is basically a hardware prototype where you can connect them together but not solder them together. Now, a jumper wire can be connected to like this, and the LED and the resistor can look like this. Now, these are my electrical components that I have acquired, although I don't have a battery pack and a push button since wala sila. They don't have anything in the electric store, and as soon as they have it, I will go immediately and I will perform another project. And so, these are the only things that I've acquired: a diode, a resistor, and a push button, a LED, and a jumper wire. Let's talk about an LED. An LED is the most fun and creative way to understand how to construct a bread in the breadboard, because as I have known that in the late times where electricity was still generating and still inventing something, there is a type of breadboard where they use potatoes as their electrical medium to create electricity. Let's talk about the function of a resistor. A resistor is a two-terminal connector that implements resistance to a circuit. And in a breadboard, it can also be resistant to 300 ohms. 300 ohms. And this connects the lead cathode to one of the resistor leads. Next is the jumper wires. A jumper wire is a simply wires that have connector at each pins, allowing them to connect 2 points to each other without soldering. Basically, without soldering. Now let's talk about the function of what I have. What I don't have is the battery pack and the push button. Basically, a push button is the on and off switch in a breadboard, and the battery pack where you can connect the 2 jumper wires or the one that have wires already in the battery pack through the breadboard to acquire light in the LED, and there we have light.